Assalamu alaikum student, welcome to Pakistan Montessori International. The EPL or the exercise from and of practical life makes a child happy and more creative. In a daily routine, the child learns a lot, do so many activities. Today, in this particular presentation, a child is going to be teach how to create his own geometrical shape. This EPL activity can be an artwork activity or the sensorial. The shapes, the lines, the collection of sticks makes him happy. And any activity which makes a child happy through EPL, let him to be calm down, step by step presentation and creating of few articles. The directress just simply guide a child to use his own choice, so a particular shape can create. Thank you so much.